What's good, YouTube? Tayyoo here, and I'm back. Yes, I am back with another video, man. Alright, so look, as you can see, Jump Force Mugen V14 is out. It's been announced, all that shit. I'm a little late, but you know how we do it. So we don't waste no time. We get straight into this shit. The first thing that I want you to do, I want you to click this link in the description, right? If you click this link, it'll take you straight to this website right here. And this is where we're going to be downloading our shit from. So do not download all 5 of these at one time, right? Just make sure that you click one. Go over here to the drop down menu, go to download, then it'll bring up a new pop-up, and then press download, and then just let it start to download. Now Mugen itself is like 100 GB, so you want to make sure that you got enough GB on your computer to actually install it, or else while we're doing the install, it'll let you know that you're over quota, which basically just means you out of space. And then once that's done, then continue to the next one and download that one, and then yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. All right, so I got all 5 parts downloaded. If we just left click and hold all of them, and then we right click, go to properties, we'll see that in total is 60.6 GB. So what we're gonna be doing is right clicking after we hold all of them, right? Go to WinRAR, extract to Jump Force Mugen V14, right? And then it'll start extracting one by one from part 1 all the way to part 5. Now what this is doing is it's extracting all 5 of these files and putting them all into one file that's unzipped, unlike how all of these are zipped files. You feel me? So it's uncompressing all 5 of these files into one large file. Instead of it being 5 individual files that equal 60 GB, it'll be one file that's 60 GB in total, which is why I told y'all that in total Mugen is about 120 GB, because with this 60 plus the 60 that it's extracted to, you need about 112 GB on your computer. You feel me? I'm gonna tell y'all, like I tell y'all every time we do these videos, if it's past part 1 and you get the notification that you're past quota, which means that you're out of space, you could just delete part 1 and then it'll continue downloading, because that means that you just deleted like 10 GB on your computer and freed it up. And since it's already past part 1, that means that's already done extracting part 1. So for example, if I deleted part 1 right now, the whole download process would be incomplete because it's not done extracting part 1. But if it was on part 2 and I deleted part 1, it'll continue perfectly fine because we're already done with part 1, if that makes sense. But basically in total you need about 112 GB to actually install, extract, and download Mugen. Like for example, right here it says part 2. Hold on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to part 1, I'm gonna press it, I'm gonna delete it, and the download process is just gonna continue perfectly fine. Now I would show y'all my space and show y'all how it actually did just free up some space, but I don't think y'all will actually be able to tell because I just cleaned my whole computer out. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when it's absolutely done and all 5 parts are extracted. I bet. So once it's finished, it'll create a folder right here. So once that's done, what I want you to do is right click on the folder, go to properties, go to customize, come down here to change icon, press browse, and then I want you to find where your Mugen folder is. So for me it's in the downloads, and then it's right here. So I want you to press it and then click on one of these where you can get the icon from. It'll pop up right here. Press OK, press apply, press OK, and then it'll change this to the Mugen icon. So that's a little tough. Now you can delete all of the parts to free up hella space. So yeah, we just gonna do that. And now you have Mugen downloaded. To open it, you just want to double click on it, double click again, come down here to the Mugen exe file, double click it. And now on this screen, do not press anything or the game will become unresponsive and it'll crash. I get a lot of comments asking, why is it on a black screen? Why is the game not loading? Why is it crashing? Whenever it's on this screen, make sure that you don't press any keys, don't click any mouse buttons, nothing. Just let it load. Alright, and just like that, we're in the game. Now naturally Mugen is very loud. Now once you get here, you can press and click and do whatever you want to. I do not know how to get Mugen in full screen, but when I figure it out, I will post that as its own separate video altogether. But what you want to do is you want to use your arrow keys, come down here to options, right? Press enter, come down here to the BGM volume, and you just want to turn that down, bro, because that shit is loud. Like it is loud as shit. I recommend putting it at like 25, 15 type shit. Like that's a nice range. Same thing for the sound effects. The sound effects are loud as fuck. To save anything that you do in the settings, you want to make sure that you come down here to load/save, go over to the save, and then press enter, and then it'll say option save. If you want to set up your controllers, you could come over here to input configuration, and then key configuration, press enter, and then just go down the list. Like while it's glowing up, just press the key that you want to use for that. So like boom, boom, boom. Then you press escape to go back, and then you make sure that you save. If you want to set up your controller, all you got to do is just connect it through Bluetooth, and then it'll say like, you know, joystick enabled. It's grayed out for me because I don't got my controller on, but If you just connect your controller, it'll work. But yeah, man, that's how you download Mugen V14. If y'all want me to go back to my old roots and start posting more Mugen content, oh shit, let's make sure that we put the difficulty up. You feel me? Gotta make sure it's on the hardest difficulty. Cause the easy bots, they be slow, bro. They be a little trippy. They be tripping out, bro. I don't know what they be doing. They just be looking at each other. They don't be transforming and shit. But yeah, bro. If y'all missed the Mugen content on the channel, bro, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Comment down below who y'all actually want me to put up against each other in the Mugen episodes, bro. And I got y'all, bro. Y'all know I provide that shit. Hinata versus Turles. What type? Ooh, we got a new loading screen. That shit tough. Oh shit. Yeah, bro. If this video was helpful for y'all, bro, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that sub button, bro. We just hit 1.5K subs, bro. We have been lit, bro. Like, we been lit. We turning up, nigga. I'ma keep the content coming. The content will be more high quality now than it was before. You feel me? Make sure you tap in on the Twitch. We stream like every other day on Twitch. So make sure you tap in over there at Tayyoo aka Poncho, man. It's in the description down below. And we also do multi-stream. So if you just want to tap into the streams over here on YouTube, you can. But Twitch is where I mainly stream. Not again, her ass beat. But wait, let her cook. Let her cook. Hold on. She ain't even got Byakugan activated. Real talk, who y'all think winning? Like, real fight. In a real fight. Turles beating the shit out of Hinata? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Like, in the grand scheme of everything, Turles was weak as shit. Did that nigga even, like, did he die to Super Saiyan Goku, or was that false SSJ? I forgot. I ain't watched that movie since I was little, bro. But Hinata low-key putting them palms on his ass. Fuck you talking about? Damn, she frying that nigga shit. Hold on, let her cook. Let her cook. Let her cook. Let her cook. She said, fuck that. Damn, she ain't doing no damage to that nigga. Damn! She just straight took Neji move. That's crazy than a bitch. Or wait, maybe that's a family move. God damn. Okay, Hinata. Yeah. Okay. She tough with it. But yeah, bro, if y'all do want to see more Mugen content, bro, just comment down below who y'all want a video on, bro, and I got y'all, bro. For real. I do miss Mugen, low-key. I'll learn how to play this shit, bro. Playing Mugen and making the CPUs like go against each other is two different things, bro. Like, the creator of Mugen, he fucking, like, his main language is Spanish, so all of the controls is in Spanish and shit, bro. It's hard to read unless you know that language and shit, but I feel like I could do that shit. Hinata is whooping this nigga ass. God damn. Shit. Yeah, it's a wrap. And the fat lady is singing, folks. Yes, that's how you do it. Appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. If you liked the video, you know what to do. If you didn't like the video, you know what to do. Dislike and get on my ass in the comments, bro. Tayyoo out, man.